This is a farewell for you, but celebration because you're gonna start a new life, a new job in a new place. Hey, that's pretty good.
I'm gonna take this idea and say, Mom, can you cook
I want a
something for
pyramid
me?
of
Yes,
rice.
pyramid of
Pyramid of
rice.
rice.
Sounds like deep fried boiled egg.
Hey guys.
Halo teman-teman.
Halo teman-teman, balik lagi di Pindah Channel sama Mas Bro
Halo.
dan Raffles. Mukanya serius banget sih Raffles. Ya teman-teman, hari ini kita on the way, kita mau ke rumahnya Mbak Arin. Nah, aku tuh mau jemput makanan karena hari ini kan mau bikin perpisahannya buat Gabe. Jadi cuman Gabe, aku sama Bro. Jadi rencananya itu aku mau bikin tumpeng, cuman aku tuh banyak banget kesibukannya. Jadi aku mikir ya udahlah, aku mesen aja dari salah satu orang Indonesia namanya Mbak Arin. Nah, Mbak Arin ini buka orderan gitu. Jadi setiap berapa minggu sekali dia open buat order makanan Indonesia. Salah satunya tumpeng. Dia terkenal banget loh, dia tuh pakar tumpeng. Nah, jadi ya udah deh, aku pikir save time buat aku kan, dan juga aku punya waktu untuk bikin makanan penutup buat Gabe. Jadinya ya udah deh, kemarin aku kontak Mbak Arin terus mesen buat 3 orang. Well, sekarang kita on the way buat menjemput makanannya. Aku excited banget karena udah lama nggak makan tumpeng. Dan teman-teman kalau udah pernah nonton kan ya video tumpeng yang aku pernah bikin sebelumnya, itu chaos banget sama Tiago. Nah, jadi ini juga buat Gabe sebagai tanda kayak gimana ya, perpisahan yang manis buat dia, dan juga ucapan selamat dari kita untuk untuk kerjaan barunya. Nah, jadi makanya aku pikir mungkin perpisahan yang baik adalah memberikan tumpeng untuk Gabe. Yeay! Jadi kan selain tuh Gabe yang excited, kita juga excited karena kita suka makan tumpeng. Bro, suka makan tumpeng?
Suka?
Suka. Si Bro lagi nyetir jadi dia harus konsentrasi. Okay, let's go. We are already on the way actually. Dan rumahnya Mbak Arin itu 30 menit dari rumahnya kita. So, oke, let's go. Let's go. Nggak apa-apa dong, ini Mbak Arin. Lihat dia pesanannya. Ya ampun. Look so good, Mbak. Terima kasih. Aku taruh di atas mobil orang ya. Wah, ini masakannya Mbak Arin. Yum. Ih, makasih loh Mbak. Ini baru pertama kali ketemu sama Mbak.
Iya, semoga cocok ya.
Iya, aduh Mbaknya malu. Nah teman-teman, ini dia tumpeng dari Mbak Arin. Wah, look at that. 3 tingkat tuh. Nah, 3 tingkat. My god, kita lihat isinya dong ya. Ini kayaknya ayam lengkuas, mantep banget nih. Wih, terus ada ini apa namanya? Lupa, brand fork. Terus ada gorengan, ada sambal telur. Nah ini nggak pedas kata mbaknya. Ada mie bihun pakai timun, terus tempe kacang sama ikan asin dan sambal. Wih, ini komplit banget teman-teman. Ya ampun, we can't wait to eat. This is great. Ini besar loh teman-teman. Jadi ini porsi buat 3 orang.
What is all this?
Hi guys! So welcome back to Pindah Channel, and today we have our special guest. I think you guys know him, it's Gabe. Gabe is here, and he's the only one here because he's like a special farewell from Binai to Gabe. Yay! So what happened? Why we have a farewell, Gabe?
Well, I'm moving to a different city. It's in an island.
Yeah, Gabe
Not
just
too far away though.
Not too
No,
far.
it's
Yeah,
not
like
far
2
away.
hours.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly. Jadi Gabe baru dapat kerjaan baru teman-teman, dan itu dia makanya kenapa Gabe bakal pindah dari Vancouver ke Victoria. Karena Gabe akan pindah hari Jumat, jadi ya kan? Dadah! So Gabe, this is a special meal coming from Indonesia, from Java culture. We call this
What is this?
Nasi Tumpeng.
Nasi is
Nasi.
rice.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
rice. Tumpeng is, I think,
Oh.
this how they serve
Like a
it.
tower or
Exactly,
a pyramid.
like
Nasi Tumpeng.
nasi
Nasi.
tumpeng.
Nasi Tumpeng.
Yeah, tumpeng.
very
Yay!
good.
Yeah, it's usually there's a lot of side dishes. Here we have, you know, this one is chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, I think it's cooked with galgan. I don't know if you're familiar with galgan, but if you try it, you might gonna know.
Oh.
And this one, I swear to God, I should know the name, but I forget the name. It's made of potato. Yes, and this one is a fried vegetables.
Okay.
We're gonna try it. And then here we have,
Yeah, what
you
is
see that there's a
this?
tempeh.
Tempeh.
Yes.
Okay.
What is
And-
tempeh?
Tempeh is it's like tofu. Are you familiar with tofu?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's like a tofu strand.
Oh, okay.
Simply.
Yeah.
And then this one is vermicelli, the glass noodle.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yes, and this is eggs.
Okay.
I think it's not so spicy, the sauce, but you can try it carefully. Normally, we eat this dish. It's just for celebration.
Okay.
This is a farewell for you, but celebration because you're gonna start a new life, a new job
Yes.
in a new place. That I'm serving it to you, so for a good start.
Good start.
Yeah,
Thank you.
hey, that's
Terima
pretty
kasih.
good. Yeah, so that's why I was thinking like, okay, this is the best meal that I can serve for you. It's just a kind of like pray, like from us to you. We use this for every kind of celebration.
Oh.
It's just kind of like a sign how we thankful to God for
Yeah.
like what they give it to us, and then we celebrate with together with other people and sharing.
Wow.
Yes, that's the culture of
amazing.
Indonesian
Thank
people.
you.
Yeah, special only with you today.
Really good.
Yeah.
That's good.
And I'm really hungry.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, me too. Oh, and this is, do you know what is this? It's banana leaf.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Banana-
it's wrapped with banana leaf, so it just gives the
Oh.
flavor really good. You see everything? It's
Okay,
banana
yeah.
leaf. Yeah. Okay, dig in, guys. Let's
Okay.
eat. There we go. I give you the honor to
Oh.
get the first rice for yourself. So I'm gonna open this.
Okay, so how do you?
So what you do, you get the rice for yourself and pick any side dish you like.
Okay.
Yeah. It's okay, Gabe. Nothing is wrong.
I just don't know if I'm
Gabe's
gonna.
really
I'm
careful, like-
gonna drop it.
It's okay.
You destroyed it.
Oh.
No.
Oh, no.
That means bad luck now.
Oh, but oh no. I should probably just stay in Vancouver now.
Yeah.
Okay. I really want to try this potato
Oh
thing
yeah.
here.
Brazil likes potato, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna just get the
Mhm.
I really want to try this egg here.
Oh yeah.
Go for it.
ahead, go for it. And this is the noodle. Don't forget the noodle.
Oh yeah, that one for the noodle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use that one for the noodle. Okay. Babe, you finger
Okay,
first.
thank you. That's enough.
Yes.
He was teasing me a lot, like, oh, it's so delicious, and now I'm like, oh.
Oh, mouth
Thank
watery. Enjoy.
Wow, alright, this looks so good.
Do we just eat with our hands?
Yes, that's the very traditional way Indonesian do.
Okay. I'm really interested in potato.
Yeah,
Good.
that's good.
Oh. Perkedel?
Perkedel, yay!
got it!
Wow.
Woo! Makan guys, hot.
I saved you.
Good.
I like it. Have you tried the rice?
I don't know if it's the same in Indonesian. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste just like as you were eating in
It's
Indonesia?
authentic
Oh.
because it's made by Indonesian.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, it's good.
What's this spicy chili? Is it spicy?
It's spicy, yeah.
Wow.
This is like heaven.
Mm.
Really. It's just because like the sensation of eating with your hands. The other day I tried to eat like, it was like a mix of like salad and like meat and everything
Oh.
with my hands.
Huh?
And I was like, I don't know why, but it just doesn't, it doesn't taste the same as Indonesian food. So I tried.
true.
I was trying to adapt to this, you know, lifestyle as you guys were saying last time. So this is just like a bunch of like different vegetables together.
Yeah.
Do you guys eat a lot of deep fried things then?
Oh,
Yeah.
like everything we
Like
deep fried
egg,
as possible.
like boiled egg.
Exactly.
Deep fried
Yeah,
egg, boiled
fried
egg.
Wow.
What would you say that would be like a disrespectful thing in a restaurant in Indonesia?
In some culture, if you eat like that, so you have to eat like with mouth closed
Yeah.
because it's considered not polite.
Polite.
Yeah.
The culture of this meal, then you have to be like, so you are not allowed talking a lot when you eat. I don't know with that one, but like yeah, if you have something in your mouth, don't talk and don't chew it with the mouth open. I think it's kind of like a Western culture as well.
Yeah.
It's not polite, right? Yeah. And normally, like
Nasi
you
Tumpeng.
let the eldest one pick the meal first. You like the
Yeah, because I was thinking in Brazil, if you were to eat like this,
with hand.
yeah, I think it would be a little disrespectful.
Oh.
I don't know why. Like now that I'm eating with hands, like why would it be disrespectful? Because it's just so good.
Yeah, I think I understand. In
Europe,
Austria
I
and Europe, it's the same. If you would eat like this in a restaurant, they would look at you like,
Yeah.
"What are you doing?" Like,
Yeah.
some food you eat with hands, right? If you eat,
Yeah.
let's say, chicken wings, you would eat
Yeah.
still with hands.
Come on, guys. You Indonesian have to teach the world how to feel food.
I think it's more we feel like down to earth.
Yeah, and sometimes even literally down to earth, right? You eat it on the ground. So can you give me the sambal again? Thank you.
Wow!
When I met Basti, he ate spicy, but like a decent amount, not so crazy.
Too chili.
And now?
Now it's like 10 chili for a big meal.
What?
I mean, if I want to make it really spicy, yes, then it
Oh my
yeah.
god. I can't even stand one.
I'll be honest, he eats more spicy than me.
Wow.
Yeah. See,
Thank you.
you like that one, right?
Oh yeah, it's delicious.
You want a bit more rice?
Thank you.
Maybe?
Yes, please.
I'm just gonna take
Yeah, I
that.
love like how Indonesian food is pretty often comes with cucumber on the side or something fresh.
Yeah.
That is really good.
Yeah, we had something like that.
Yeah, we had
Before,
we had
yeah.
cucumber last time, right?
Cucumber, yeah.
There we go.
Perfect. So I can mix all of this, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
mix it.
Perfect.
This is how we eat it.
Ooh, look at that.
Do you like the food? Even like if I'm not cooking it, but I think it's quite good. It's really good.
That is really good.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really good.
What
Yeah.
kind of food do you like? Is it...
I think I really like anything deep fried.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, you can go to Indonesia.
Then that's the right country.
Yeah. That's why.
Nasi kuning, like the yellow rice, is I think special for you eat most frequently for breakfast.
Yeah.
With like chicken, for example.
Breakfast?
Is it too
So with
heavy
the chicken
for you?
like this, for example, and the rice.
Is it too heavy for you?
Yeah.
Like honestly, I was very surprised with that as well, and I had some issues because I'm not a big breakfast guy. I usually drink a cup of coffee and maybe like something very small or nothing at all. I'm good. And then yeah, I got like a plate with like rice and a deep fried fish.
Oh
Like-
my god.
Okay,
What
that's
time
a
was
lot.
that? Like 9 in the morning?
Yeah, like whenever you get up, like 8 or 9, or like sometimes even early.
Back then, most of Indonesians were farmers. That's why you need
Yeah.
to have a heavy meal
Right.
every morning.
If you're like out in the field for the whole day,
Yeah.
like working, then sure.
I was literally what happened to him when he was at my place. So my dad served nasi kuning in the morning. Like he went somewhere and bought it
Yeah.
and served it for Basti. And he just woke up and it's like, hey, wake up. Daddy had something for you in the kitchen. Okay. And then he come and he sit and I give like the nasi kuning and he was like, should I eat that? I was like, yeah, Daddy bought it for you.
And I didn't want to be disrespectful, so
Yeah.
obviously I hate it.
Where do I start?
That was long.
Well, first of all, my hands are all dirty.
And yellow.
And yellow. I'm just so happy because I felt the food and it was great. The eggs, I didn't know it exists such a thing as boiled egg and deep fried. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so ranking my top food.
Okay.
Egg,
Okay.
potato,
Uh-huh.
percadillo.
Yes. Look at it.
The vegetable, and then the peanuts,
Oh yeah.
and then the chicken, and then the rice and the noodles.
Mm.
Like,
Okay.
I mean, rice and noodles is always good.
Of
It's
course,
not there
yeah,
at the
it's
bottom
right.
of the list. It's
Exactly.
just they go together.
Like the foundation of it.
Definitely,
Exactly.
I would say this is Sepullo out of Sepullo.
Yeah.
This was so good that maybe only you guys know how this is good. English speakers wouldn't understand what I'm saying
Yes.
because I tried, I had the experience. So thank you guys.
Awesome.
How about the culture though? Do you have that such a thing in Brazil as a gift thanks and you have a special dish that you serve for the family or something? If you
No. I wish we had though. Whenever we want to celebrate things, I think it always comes along with like, let me prepare you a special meal, but not necessarily a meal itself. It's just like, oh, maybe like lasagna or
Alright.
pasta,
Okay.
or that's what we do, and then yeah, maybe some drinks just to celebrate. But yeah, I'm gonna take this idea and say, Mom, can you cook
I want a
something for
pyramid
me?
of
Yes.
rice.
Pyramid of
Pyramid
rice.
rice.
Tons of stuff.
Deep fried boiled egg.
If you happen to marry Indonesian girl, you're gonna always have that kind of special welcome meal for you.
Dream.
Yeah, that. Yeah.
If I do go to Indonesia, I want to meet your followers.
Yeah.
So maybe.
Oh, all of them?
All of them?
Oh no, maybe not all of them, but maybe every day that I go to a different house, they can cook something like
Oh,
this
yeah.
for me, right?
Yeah.
And then they'll be like, oh.
You know what? If you read the comments when we post this video, there gonna be so many of them gonna invite you to come to
Oh
their place.
please.
Yeah, I mean, I've had this before, so I knew what to expect, kind of. But this was still very good. I think it was the first time for us, like,
Ordered,
not doing it
not
ourselves,
doing it by
right?
ourselves, yes.
So it was a little different from what the one that you prepared the other day, but it was still very tasty and very good. What did I like most? I think I was really blown away by the sambal. It was really good, very
So
tasty,
good.
very spicy. This time I actually tried to mix it all together, like you said.
Yes.
So usually I don't do this. Like I think Germans try to have like to have things
Separate,
separate,
yeah.
and eat a little bit of this
Me
and that.
too, yeah.
And to, like with the sambal, when I tried it, it was so spicy. I knew like I had to mix it in, like otherwise I wouldn't be able to eat it.
So teman-teman, buat aku juga ini pertama kali nyobain nasi kuning buatan orang lain, jadi nggak buatan aku sendiri, dan aku bisa bilang enak banget. I give a thumbs up as well. So
Oh, I give it a thumbs up.
yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching, and then I hope this gonna be a good meal for Gabe to remember when he moved to Victoria, because with this meal we pray for him for a better future and a good start in his new chapter. Yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and write comments. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Bye.